Hey, tech explorers! Ever wondered how robots learn new things? Let's uncover the magic behind it. Just like you learn from doing, robots learn from their experiences too. This process is called machine learning. Imagine a robot's brain like a super smart computer. It collects information from sensors, cameras, and even the internet. Whether it's recognizing your face, finding its way around obstacles, or playing games, robots use this data to learn and improve. Inside this robot brain, there are special algorithms. Think of them as recipes or instructions that help the robot make decisions. Sometimes, robots make mistakes. But guess what? They learn from these mistakes, just like you learn from your oops moments. And here's the coolest part, some robots can even be taught by you. With coding and programming, you can tell a robot what to learn and how to do it. So, the next time you see a robot doing something amazing, remember it's learning and growing, just like you. Through hands-on experiments, coding challenges, and creative projects, kids can explore the exciting world of robotics and AI. Keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows? Maybe one day you'll teach a robot something new. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos.